Hi stylers, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I am Renee and I share everything in home decor and DIY each week. Now today I'm going to take you along with me in my living room. So you guys asked me to share with you the items that are in my living room currently that I DIY'd. So I'm just going to give you a tour of my living room, all the items, where I get them from. It's not perfect because I was to change up some stuff, but I'm just going to show you just as it is. If you guys love content like this, please remember to subscribe at the end of this video, and I hope you enjoy my tiny living room tour. It's only 9 by 13, so don't let the picture fool you and make it look like it's big, but it is as comfortable as possible as I made it. It's a very small living room. I only can do one layout. I used to have a 3-piece sofa, but I no longer have it. So the first item that is DIY'd in my living room is this table. So this actually is a table. It came in brown. It is a bathroom vanity. So it's a vanity that go into the bathroom, and there is a hole where the bowl go on that you connect the pipe to. That's the hole. And then I'll maybe show you a picture of how it actually looks when it's in a bathroom. And I just set it up here instead of a bathroom vanity to use to store my DIY supplies. In here I actually store some bags and also container with my DIY items. On top of the table is my lamp. It's DIY'd as well. This is a vase I purchased. It was a burgundy vase. This is a lampshade that I purchased from Azan Super Center, and inside of it is a light from Radio Shack I purchased when they had a sale for $100. Let me see if I can show you a picture here. So here it is. So what I do, I can turn it on like that. So that is my DIY lamp. Also DIY'd here is this wall art above it. It is a regular frame I painted black, and these were some mirror stickers I got from Amazon. I will try and link that in the description as well. I just get some regular paint with photo paper, and I just do some random painting colors there. So that is the item that is DIY there. The curtain I purchased from Woolworth, and I cut it in two, and my mother stitched it, because that is one where I normally tell you try to cut your curtains if you're using one color. And the chair here I got from 876 import. It was a pair that I got on a special, it and this one that I use for my office area. So I got the yellow one and this one from 876 import. This one I switch them up sometime and use them in my office. I did an office tour, so you guys can click the link in the description. I'm just going to go through it very quickly for those who haven't seen that video. The table, my uncle made it. The letterboard here I got from All That Matters. If you haven't seen my video where I went to All That Matters, they are located in Avondale Plaza. You can click the link for that. This is a cup that I spray painted in gold, and I did it to match with this bin here that I spray painted in gold as well. This tray I got from Fashionera Beauty in Central Plaza, and above it here is my DIY hula hoop shelf. So these are 2 hula hoops, 2 MDF board, spray painted them, and this is how it turned out. So this is my hula hoop shelf. The live sign I got from Songsters bookstore. You can see right here it was broken, so I joined it with some, I think it was hot glue, and then I just spray painted it in gold as well. The balls were those kids light up ball. Those kids light up ball. I spray painted it black, and the leaves I also got at Songsters. Over this side, this is a frame that I DIY'd as well. It's a frame, photo paper. It's a frame with photo paper, and I got some black stones from All That Matters as well, and I glue them onto it. Underneath it is my tablet box. It's a box that tablet come in, and use it to store some items in it. And this is a book that I painted black. This is a mango leaf DIY that I did. I got a mango leaf. that fall from the tree, and I just DIY'd it. Here's the other one there. So this actually is a geometric shaped toy that I spray painted. It's a kids geometric shape toy spray painted, and these are just some books that I DIY'd as well. The shelf I got from Lucky Dollar, and that's that for there. Also at this side, my favorite plant, you guys would know if you follow my video that snake plant is one of my favorite plant, and in it now is a vase that I spray painted as well. So actually I showed a video in the, it's a little bit of water that is in there. It's hard to kill, so I don't know if you guys. So over this side is my one-piece sofa bed. I had a three-piece sofa in here. For those who didn't know, you can check those videos down below. This is a throw. I got it as a gift, a pixie gift. I got it from work. And the pillow, I got this pair of pillow, this and the pair of polka dot black one I got from Photo Express. Yeah, Photo Express, I got those. I don't remember where I get those two gray and black one. Other side of it is a type of snake. I don't remember where I get them from really. Beside it is my basket that I purchased. It's two of them I purchased from Bashco. I was going to spray paint it because the color didn't really match, but I left it there. So if I decided to spray paint it in the future, I keep an extra blanket here just in case I need it. And behind my sofa, guys, I normally share with you ways to store items. Behind my sofa now are some items that I don't use as yet. There's a knife set. This is one of the vanity shelving and some other stuff for me to organize. So I'm just sharing with you how you can store things. Behind there as well, I normally keep some rug. There's another rug behind my sofa right here that I don't use. You guys know that I love rug. And behind there I have some foam and stuff. A DIY that I'm going to do. Above my sofa now is my DIY wall art. These are two frames that I made with wood strips. Yeah, purchased two length of wood strips from the hardware. I got foam board. I nailed them together in the frame. I got foam board. I painted them. Those are linked in the description as well, the DIY for this. So I just nailed the frames and I painted. The yellow part is an acrylic paint that I use, and the gray is regular water paint and the white is regular water paint. So I use ruler and stuff, so you guys can watch that in the video. So this is a DIY item as well. So right here on my coffee table, the coffee table is another DIY piece. It's the same table that is over there. Oh, I didn't put on the door, and actually this is how it look. Beneath it I don't really have anything now, but on it I have this shelf, this tray as well that I get from Fashion Era Beauty. This plant I purchased from Pings, and I got the container from Pings, and I just put some stone in it with it. The candle is from Azan. The rug I bought from Pablo's a couple years ago. I got it for like $12,000 a couple years ago. Over this side, I don't really do much over this side. I'm hardly in my living room as well. Yeah, I'm hardly in my living room. I try to keep here very simple. So over this side is my TV area. I actually have a clock over it that I purchased from Azan. I got this clock from Azan a couple years ago. I try not to get nothing too big because it would go over to the switch too much. And also on the TV stand currently I have my internet box from Flow. I got this bottle. This is a DIY bottle. It's a marble bottle as well that I DIY'd. I spray paint the water and then I dip the bottle in it after spray paint the bottle white, so you get this finish. These are actually some fir plant that I got from an apartment. So outside an apartment I saw them and I cut them, and that is it. Over this side is my Android box. I kind of put a wallpaper on it. This is Android box I use. Here's a tray from Fashion Era Beauty. These are two books that I spray painted as well. This is one of my DIYs, the cup and bowl. So this is a regular cup and a bowl, and I put some stone in it with this flower that I spray painted. So this is a DIY project. Over here again is a snake plant. I love snake plant. I need to trim it up and fix it up because some of the leaves are drying now. And this is my diffuser. Guys, I love a diffuser. I love the essential oils that I normally purchase, which are the lavender, the tea tree, and the eucalyptus. And this I got from Maxi. I got it on a sale in Christmas. Under here I have my printer, a little container, book, magazine, and a humidifier. So this is what the area is basically looking like. Very simple. I try not to do much. Over this side I have this table set. I bought this table set from Lucky Dollar Furniture and Appliance Store. Based on the size of my living room, I have to go with something that is small and can hold in the space. So this can hold another chair if I have any guests over. So on the table, it's a wallpaper that I put on it. It is a brown table. I can show you what's the original color. The original color is like the chair here. So on the table I use this wallpaper on it. I might change the wallpaper very soon, but for now I'm going to leave it. So this is a DIY project as well. Yeah, this I got from LPSR. I got these florals from Azana as well, but I spray painted them silver. So you guys will see I do a lot of spray painting. So this is another art that I DIY'd. Same thing but different pieces, and another mirror piece. Behind here I store this. It's a flooring, the vinyl flooring. I was going to put it in the kitchen, but I'm not going to bother. I'm going to tell you that later on in the future in another video. So over here is a picture frame that I add 2 hooks in and just to put keys on. So this is basically my living room. I hope you guys enjoy this mini tour. It's a small living room. It is as cozy as possible for me. I love it. The only thing I don't love is the flooring. I hate the flooring, and you guys always hear me say how to cover up ugly crack flooring. Under the rug itself has some cracks, so I'm glad I got to cover up that. Oh, I forgot to mention this is a picture frame as well that I put wallpaper in. If you made it to the end of this video, I just want to say thank you again. And if you love this one, you would like the next one on screen. It is a video on rental friendly products that you can use to change the look of your space, even if you're owning. Thank you again for watching. See you on this video.